Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the 95 Toyota Celica GT4. I don't know why they spelled it 4 FOU, and instead they could have just mentioned either Roman numerals or just 4. I'm not sure. Okay, so as you can see, the car art looks really cool. Okay, so this is by Hotwheels from their 90s street scene, and I bought it for MRP, which is 299. So originally, when I saw this car, I was not able to see it very clearly when I saw it on websites because I, for a fact, knew it didn't reach Chennai that point of time, and so I didn't even see this very clearly. I originally thought this was a Benz, but later I looked it very closer. Then see, it looks kind of Benz in some angle. It looks kind of Bentley's, headlights in some angle. So, but it is a Toyota. So let's unbox and see how this one actually looks. Honestly, this color exactly reminds me of the 90s because I used to live near a cement factory. Everything is gray there, and this just reminds me of that. Okay. Oh, that is heavy. I hope this exceeds, the Nissan which we unboxed yesterday. Okay, so the first impressions of this casting. Okay, you can see some damage here. Honestly, I really loved the casting the moment I touched it, but you can see a lot of paint issues. Man, I just for once, I really want to be happy when I am unboxing a Hot Wheels. Maybe it happened one or two times in this past 2 years after I started this channel, but not more than 4 or 5 times as I remember. Okay, it has headlight details. The logo placement is really good. So the grill details are just painted. This is not embossed or engraved or anything. The fog lamp details are there. So this part here you can see that is actually metal, I guess. Yeah, and it is embossed, which is really nice. And as you can see, the rims are actually practically the same in all the four car, including this one. They are just either painting the spokes, or they're not painting the spokes, or they're just giving a different color. That's it. So it has rear view mirror, which is really nice. It has tail light details as well. Since it's a 299 rupees car, it must have. And it has interior detailing to it. It has a roof scoop as well, which is really good. Let me just show it in this way. It has hood details as well. Okay, this part here, this is painted on. I think here in the center you can see that is not plastic like you saw in Lancer. Okay, let me. Okay, so guys, there is something you need to know. This entire car is made of metal. So I originally thought this is plastic, but I don't think that is plastic because it weighs so much. Yeah, that is metal. It is metal. That is good. I'm really happy that we got at least one car in full metal. I think there is one more car we need to unbox, which is the Honda Civic. Uh, I'm not sure if. Let me just recheck the previous cars. Yeah, none of these are metals. Everything is plastic. So only this car is metal so far. The entire car is metal, body and chassis, which is really nice. So it has wiper details on both front and rear, which is nice. Okay, let's weigh this car. I'm really curious now. Okay, the highest one so far is the Nissan 300ZX, which we unboxed yesterday. So that is 36 grams. Let's see how much this one weighs. 47 grams. Okay, so which proves that the entire car is actually metal, which is really nice in my opinion. So if modders are there, they just need to just slap a, they just need to remove this plastic wheels, and they just need to you know slap rubber tires there, and that's it. That's a premium now. The detailing is really nice on the inside as well. So my only issue here is with the paint job here, you can see. But apart from that, the entire casting looks really nice. Looks really beautiful. Okay, let's do a roll test. Being full metal casting, I'm expecting this to roll really well because it's heavy. I'm really sorry, guys. I really want to put something here to make this stay in one place. Okay, let's do. Okay, that's pretty disappointing. Let's try it one more time. Okay, third try. Okay, one more. Okay, so even though it's a full metal casting, it doesn't really roll that well. It has some amount of wheel wobble on both wheels and doesn't reach the end like the other two Nissans reached. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.